Welcome guys. Let's do Algorand technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new charts and targets. Current rank of Algorand is 18 and price of Algorand is $1.72 right now. Market cap of Algorand is $10.7 billion, which is very huge. Fully diluted market cap of Algorand is 17 billion. And 24-hour trading volume of Algorand is 549 million. Circulating supply of Algorand is 6.29 billion. Maximum supply of Algorand is 10 billion and total supply of Algorand is 6.7 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you my charts. All-time high of Algorand was on June 21, 2019, about 2 years ago, and price was $3.28. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 10 cents. And it is available on these exchanges, Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange or Huobi Exchange, just go to in this video's description where you can get these links. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can grab $710 bonus absolutely free. You can also grab $9,180 bonuses absolutely free. Just click on these links and register your accounts. And after initial deposit, you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and these bonuses are tradable. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you my first chart. This is Algorand USDT 4-hour pair chart and currently it is at $1.71 right now. It is facing resistance to break this $1.74 price zone. Once it breaks this, in that case, next target would be like this. $1.89, after that $1.94 and $2. These are the targets. And if unfortunately it is rejected from this zone, there is strong spot is at $1.60. After that, strong spot is at $1.46. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is a decent volume in this chart and that is good sign. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $1.76, in that case, candles will break this EMA ribbon and after that upside rally will start. And let me please show you RSI and MACD. 4-hour RSI is at 47 and it is good sign. Once it crosses 50, in that case definitely price will go up. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards upside is about to happen and that is very good sign. And let me please show you my second chart, which is Algorand USDT pair daily chart, and it is in this peanut and this is a bullish pattern. This is upper trend line, this is down trend line. Once it broke this towards upside, in that case our target would be, let me please show you. It can easily hit this target, $3 price zone, $3.01. And this is a strong spot. Here you can see every time price touches this, price bounce back. And I think it have to hit this target very soon. And you can say our first target currently is $1.90 because this is a resistance area. Sorry, $2 price zone. And after that, once it broke this area, and after that, $3 will be the next target, and this is support zone. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. We need strong volume, but unfortunately in daily volume is missing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this. Once candle closing above $1.85 price area, in that case candles will break this EMA ribbon and definitely price will go up. And let me please show you some other indicators. RSI is at 46. Once it crosses 50, definitely price will go up. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, but now I think price have to move towards upside because towers are changing their color. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is very important to me. And this is CPR indicator. Here you can see. Let me please zoom this. And these yellow lines are mean CPR lines. Once Algorand hit $2.30, then it will turn into support area. After that, monthly bullish target would be, this is first monthly bullish target $2.68, second monthly bullish target $3.57, and third monthly CPR bullish target is $4.16. These are the areas. And here you can see, after touching this bearish CPR, monthly CPR level, price bounced back and it was at $1.23 area. And let me please show you my next chart. But before this, I want to show you Fibonacci levels to trade. Let me please hide this. And let me please delete this. Please note down these targets. I want you to show you fib levels to trade. For this, I have to measure this from top to bottom. And after that, let me please arrange this chart. And let me please do this. Let me please fix this chart. Here you can see we are currently in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci level. Once it crosses $1.91, in that case it will break 0.38 Fibonacci level. Next zone is 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $2.12. After that, 0.61 Fibonacci level, golden pocket, and it is at $2.33. And after that, 0.78, which is at $2.63, and after that 0.88, which is $2.81. These are areas to trade. And if it rejected from this zone, then $1.65 is a strong spot. And let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart, and these are some support and resistance levels. These are resistance levels, these are support levels. Currently it is in between $1.54 to $2.09 price area. Once it broke this horizontal resistance of $2.10 price area, in that case, next target, let me please show you. Next target would be this area. You can say our first target is $2.10. After that, $2.48, and after that, $2.70. These are the targets, and Algorand can hit these targets in very near future. And let me please show you target for this bull run for Algorand. Let me please do this. Let me please fix this chart, and let me please do this. Let me please fix this. Currently it is in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci level. Once it crosses this, in that case $1.82 will be the target. After that, $2.04. After that, $2.27, and after that $2.59, and so on. But my target for this bull run in this for the Algorand is this area, and this is very realistic area. $5 to $6 is very realistic target, and I think it can hit these targets. Maybe $5, maybe $6 in this bull run. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your crypto friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges: Binance $710 bonus, Fimex $4,100 bonus, Bybit $4,100 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, UB $170 bonus, Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.